Ever wondered how smart cuts in your daily routine could save your budget and have a positive effect on the planet? What if simple habits combined like collage pieces could benefit us, the Earth, and the way we live together? Reimagine your commute. Transportation emissions are a major challenge, but small changes can help. Walking, cycling, carpooling, or train travel are great ways to reduce your reliance on fossil fuels. Explore e-bike or e-scooter rentals for short trips, or switch to car-sharing platforms for occasional driving. Upgrade to energy-efficient tech. Insulating your home and switching to renewable energy sources like solar power can drastically cut down on energy waste. Simple habits like turning off unused lights, lowering your thermostat a degree or two, and using energy-efficient appliances don't just help the planet, they save you money too. Mindful eating. A plant-rich diet and reducing meat consumption can significantly lower your carbon footprint. Choosing seasonal and local foods supports local farmers and reduces emissions from transport. Get creative with leftovers and compost when you can. Embrace the circular economy. Opt for products with minimal packaging, buy secondhand items, and support brands that prioritize eco-friendly practices. It's easier and more beneficial than you might think. Advocate and educate. Joining local sustainability initiatives or advocating for local policies that promote clean energy, green spaces, and zero-waste initiatives in your community. Collective efforts inspire bigger changes and a stronger sense of community. Together, these small steps can create a ripple effect, driving significant change. The future is in our hands, so why not start today?